Okay, this is part 2 of lesson 10.3. Part 2, a very brief part. Oftentimes students will get confused on questions like this, so it's kind of nice that it's a separate video. So I put a star by this. Make sure that you know how to do these for your quiz or your test. Steps for approximating values of logarithms. So first you write the logarithm in terms of given logs. You'll be given logarithms in the direction. So those are the given logs. And then you're going to substitute those values in. So before in the class notes we were condensing. Now we're going to expand. We're going to be given one log, and we want to write it as 2 or more logs, 2 plus, 2 or more logs. So for instance, on number 14, log base 5 of 8, been waiting a long time for this, log base 5 of 8, we can write 8 with its prime factors. So 4 times 2, 4 isn't prime. You can break down 4 into 2 and 2. So it would be 2 times 2 times 2. And this is a log of a product, so we can expand log of a product to be separate logs that you're adding. So you have log base 5 of 2 plus, then the second factor, log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of 2. And then you're going to substitute, notice the directions. What does log base 5 of 2 equal? Well, it equals 0.4307. So 4307 plus 4307 plus 4307. So that's the second step where we substitute the values in the directions. And then you add them and you get your answers. So adding these you would get 777 is 21, 333 is 9, 444 is 12. So that would be 1.2921 is the answer. What does that mean? That means 5 to the what equals 8. I get this from the very original question. This log can be rewritten as this, where a log equals an exponent. So our answer, this answer right here, is the answer to x. 5 raised to the 1.2921 is approximately 8. We rounded, so it might be 7.99999 or something like that. Okay, the next example, notice we have a quotient. So we can write this as a division. We have log base 5 of 3 divided by, that is division. Sorry about that. Changes to a minus, so it's not divided by, minus log base 5 of 2. A quotient becomes a difference. And you're told in the directions right here that log base 5 of 3 is 0.6826. Minus log base 5 of 2 is right here, 4307. 4307. And without a calculator, 26 and 7 is 19. 68 and 43 is 25. So it'd be 0.2519. If you have to use a calculator to subtract, it's really okay. So that's the answer there. That means that 5 to the what equals 3 halves? Well, that would be 5 to the 0.2519 equals 3 halves. And if you'd like to pause this video, see if you could do the next one.
No. What?
Okay, last one, log base 5 of 30. You have to write 30 with factors of 30, prime factors. So you could do 6 times 5, but 6 you could break down to 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 times 5. Notice you have products, so you can write one log of a product, one log. You're going to expand into, in this case, 3 logs. So one log is going to turn into 3 logs. You have log base 5 of 2 plus log base 5 of 3 plus log base 5 of 5. And then you can substitute the values in that are given in the directions, which would be log base 5 of 2 was 0.4307 plus log base 5 of 3 is 6826 plus, and what is log base 5 of 5 equal to?
Log base 5 of 5.
Anybody?
No.
For the video?
No.
Anybody?
No.
Log base 5 of 5 does not equal no. It's 1. Log base 5 of 5 is 1. So you'd have 2.1133. I think that's what you get when you add. And thus concludes this video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all those other ones.